Isosa.
Tarkemmin.
Hey, Vincent, what's your plan after this?
I don't know. Haven't really thought about it.
You haven't thought about it? That must be a first for you, Mr. Overthinker.
There's a difference between overthinking things and being smart, Leo.
Are you implying that I'm not smart?
Your words, not mine.
Hey, I might not be smart in your book, but I do get shit done.
Can't argue with that.
Sortluun jarpit.
Arlan.
Tämä suungain tänne ruok.
Ommoisa sannosmisu.
Onko kiukin nakaa?
Miksi se nyt on aiemmin?
Close the gates.
Under session. Hans formanden mussimeret. Men formanden kommer ut af simeret. Det kan også tage lidt dårligt.
Naring daw siya
At lang ito ay kami lang mo.
Akis na ako nakpak. Sabiyak tata.
Ito.
So,
Masakit na tatas ko lang.
mga ak. Sabihin nakputs.
Keep it up, boys.
Anis lang
Don't
tungan.
have all day.
Ito tatak sa ato. So. Masih.
Move your asses inside.
Namin.
Move it.
Kasi makaya tatas ko.
Kontrol i godt til.
Na.
No, må
Keep up. So. Kulit siya pati kahit sa
Если бисingisa tiwa nga bisingisa ka.
Oh my god, man. This place is bad. It's really, really bad. I don't know. I can't survive in here. I don't belong in here, man.
Shit, dude. That fight out there, it was brutal. I could hear bones crack.
Prison life, man.
I guess you're right, but
Nasıl?
people fight in here every damn day.
Oh.
It's way too crazy in this joint.
Sleep, eat,
What is it
fight.
you know about
I'm afraid
this
you'll have to
place?
get used to it.
Oh man, I can't get used to that. I can't even fight.
You better learn fast then.
Worst mistake
Oh
of my
boy,
life, getting
I'm
my
a
ass
dead
chopped.
man.
The worst mistake.
Hanggang magpun.
Hey, are you okay?
What do you want?
Arms up. Stand still.
Stay strong.
You think I'm weak? You think I'm a
clear.
pussy, huh? Well, you're wrong if you do, because I fuck people up. I fuck them up real good. Got that?
Yeah, I'm sure you do. Good luck.
Hey, guard.
No.
Sure, take all the time you need.
You're up. Get in there.
이제 고쇼.
There you go. Sign this. That's all I need. Move along.
Fine. There we go. Move along. Come here now.
심심상하러
You two, break it up now.
Harvey sends his regards.
Fuck you and him.
클램피.
언어 심리학인가 까먹나? 네.
Get undressed.
아, 뭐?
많이 쉬었지다. Mga nasiwa ko na. Ah! Oh fuck, cheetah. Ako.
Yes, being a saying.
My name is Williams, and this is my prison. Any questions?
Yeah. When are we allowed visitors in here?
Any other questions? Good. Welcome to your new home. We're done here.
You heard him, man. Move out. We don't have all day. Go, 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 go.
가야지. What's up?
What's up with you?
Meditation, man.
What the hell is that?
It'll set you free.
The only thing that will set me free is walking out the front door.
It'll free your mind.
You better stop
Let's
taking
go.
those
Get in your
drugs.
cell. Get dressed.
Hey, Leo.
So,
Looks like you got yourself a new neighbor.
Close up
I
49.
couldn't care less.
Sure. Just keep your eyes open.
Later.
Took
See
you
you
long
around.
enough. Let's go. Inside.
Yeah.
Hey, relax.
I said do it. Go.
Hey, take it easy, man. What's wrong with you?
Close up cell 48.
Hey, Leo.
What?
Someone wants to talk to you.
Yeah? Who?
I don't know, man. It's over there. That's all I know.
Yay. Apa 신났어 그럼? Una?
Who's winning?
Awesome.
Me, of course.
Isn't he always winning?
Hey, you calling me a cheater?
What if I did?
He's right. You are always winning. Are you cheating?
Of course not. It's skills.
If I were you, I'd check the dice.
I might just do that.
No.
What's the voice say?
Hey, what's up with you?
My wife left me, man. I got nothing anymore. Nothing to live. Nothing.
Well, yes. I can hear that voice.
Good. 'Cause that's the only voice you should listen
There's plenty of fish in the sea.
What fish are you talking about? I'm here for life.
Shit. Got any kids out there?
No, man. I'm all alone.
Damn, that's tough.
No shit.
Napakakomik kaya lang.
What the hell are these guys up to? Hey! Let me go!
There you are. It's time to play.
What the fuck do you want?
It's not about what I want. It's about what Harvey wants.
That piece of shit better be happy he's on the outside.
He might be on the outside, but he still pays me good, huh? Fact is, he pays me really good to kill you. And I don't really like you. So it's a win-win situation for me. Yeah.
Get in there, new fish.
Hey, what the hell? What are you doing?
Come on. Go, Dragonman. Kill him.
Huh?
Take him down!
You idiot. Come on, motherfucker!
Ah, pangit, pangit, pangit.
No.
Ah. Pangit, pangit.
Sinulta sinaksan sa mga ko.
Ja, ja, ja. Ah, ay. Kono yak tata, chisluk tata, naru.
Order! Break it up before I put you all in solitary. Go on!
You better watch your back.
You! Keep moving.
Stay the hell away from me, okay?
Itong nakasakol.
Show.
Here you go. Come on, I don't got all day.
All right. Thanks.
Yeah, yeah. Next.
How about you two lovebirds have a chat somewhere else? I want to eat.
Hey, is someone talking?
No? I don't hear anyone.
Me neither.
You hearing me now?
Hey, what the hell are you doing? Ah!
Don't fuck with me when I'm hungry.
Sure. Damn, man, go ahead. Shit. Hey, that's the usual thing.
Susagin na kayo kasi.
You eat this crap, you're swelling up. How do you know it's crap? We haven't even tasted it.
Is that it?
Yeah. What do you think this is? A goddamn restaurant?
Hey, you, here I come! Huh? Lay down, it's time to die!
Amma.
Here, take this.
I'll kill you!
Ateş.
Come closer. Let me carve you up. Come on, come on.
Come on, scumbag!
Where you going?
Oh.
Now I got you cornered.
Fuck you, man! I'm gonna cut you!
But you can't hide.
Ah, ay.
Come closer. Let me carve you up.
You gotta slow me down! You know what you
Come
never
on,
been
come on.
before.
Where you
Fuck you,
going?
man! I'm gonna cut you!
安的血
Now I got
值
you cornered. You can run, but you can't hide. Die!
Hey! Grab him! Come here, asshole!
Yeah, come on. Come on, what do you want? Who wants to die first? You? Yeah, come on. Die! Huh? Come on, first! Come on!
What the fuck did you do? Take this!
Like this!
Damn it!
Bakit nakasiba ko tinon ng chicks.
Shit. I hate those things.
Don't you have worse things to worry about in here?
Just be careful. Oh.
You'll be all right. Just lay down and rest for a while.
Yeah, thanks. Hey. I'm Leo.
Vincent,
Listen, thanks.
don't mention it.
I mean it, man.
What's your beef with that guy anyway?
Let's just say it's a long story. But don't worry about him. He's out of the picture now. Could you do me a favor?
Like what?
There's something I need.
What's that exactly?
Nothing, man. It's simple. I just need you to watch my back while I get it, that's all.
Sorry, not interested.
You know what? Fuck it. I'll do it myself.
Wait.
What?
You can't just walk out of here.
Of course I can.
We're gonna both end up in the hole.
Well, I don't have a choice.
All right, I'll help you. Just don't get caught.
Okay. Keep your eyes sharp.
Yeah.
Ah, inget słyszy Max.
Okay, I'll distract the nurse. Just watch out for her.
Ah, 귀여워, 봐.
So.
What can I do for you?
I got a sore throat. Can I have some water, please?
Sure.
Thanks.
아마도 되셔, 반디. 신기한 그래요.
Here you go. Guard, hurry! We have a teammate on the run.
Alright. Back to work.
What can I do for you?
I got a sore throat. Can I have some water,
이거
please?
듣지는 않냐?
슈.
Thanks.
대구진 나박사스.
Shit, Vincent
Here
needs
you
to
go.
do something about that guard.
I hope I'm not bothering you.
Of course not. It's my job.
şunu yap.
It's hot. Look what you made me do.
Oh, for the love of...
Stain is never gonna come out. Captain is gonna kill me. Gonna need soap. Better head to the bathroom.
Got the course side. Dapat tok juga hitungan dah.
Masuk. Ya.
Anything else?
Tell me. Woo!
Yeah. I've got this terrible pain. I need something for it.
What type of pain?
Mau mati tenan doang. Oh. Ah.
Dipaksa dan
Hey, what are you up to?
Nothing.
Let's move.
Yeah, sure.
So, what's your plan?
Excuse me?
I know what you're up to.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Come on now.
Look, I appreciate what you did back there, but you need to back off.
Hey,
What?
I'm sure you have good reasons to bust out of here, but I need to get out of here too.
Yeah? Not my problem.
Just offering my help here.
Hey, you know what? I don't need your help. I can handle myself.
Yeah? Like you did in the infirmary back there?
You trying to be funny?
No, I'm not. Listen, I'm pretty much in on this. Just trying to make you understand that you could really use my help.
Like I said, I can handle myself.
What about Harvey then?
The fuck do you know about Harvey? Who you been talking to?
The walls are thin in here.
Am I supposed to believe that?
Let's just say that you and me have something in common. We both want him dead.
You don't know shit about me, man.
Maybe not. But Harvey killed someone very close to me. With or without you, I'm going after him. But I'm pretty damn sure our chances would be a lot better if we worked together. And you know that. Yeah?
It's my plan, and I decide what goes down. You got that?
Sure. Whatever you say.
I mean it, man. You fuck this up, I'll kill you myself.
Yeah, I get it. So what's your plan?
You'll know soon enough.
Ah.
Hey, Leo. You didn't really have an escape plan, did you?
What are you talking about? Of course I did.
You had an idea, I'll give you that.
I got you out, didn't I?
What do you mean you got me out? We got out together.
Yeah, sure. But if it wasn't for me, you'd still be in there.
Don't forget I saved your ass. Twice.
I don't know about that saving my ass part, but I'll give you this. You did help out. A little bit. Vincent, a little bit.
Right.
Fred, got a minute?
I'll be right back, guys. What's up, Leo?
I need to get up on that roof. Can you make it happen?
It's gonna cost you.
You know I'm good for it. Just get me up there.
Hey, Fred.
What's up?
Good. What do you want?
Got a couple of workers here. Need to change the scenery.
Sorry. We're full.
Sure, we could figure something out, right?
Guess we could use a few extra hands around here.
Bak çıkış.
Leo, hurry up. We don't have all day. We're waiting right here.
Hey, see up there?
Yeah.
We need to get up there somehow.
All right.
Kisha be.
Come on, Leo. I don't have all day.
Sure. Just give me some time.
Excuse me.
Where is that
My
thing
first
anyway?
day doing this.
Over
How long
there.
have you been working up here?
How the hell are you gonna get up there?
I just need to distract that guard. Then we'll be up there in no time.
Yeah? And how you gonna do that? Because I ain't doing it. That's for sure.
Don't worry about it. I'll take care of it.
Should probably
Tamam.
work on this.
Map bu bisiklet.
Hey, what do you know about the guards up here?
What do you mean?
You know, when they take breaks and stuff.
They don't really. They're always keeping an eye out up here.
Bir kez shoot,
Why?
shoot.
Just ask.
It's alright, man. You can tell me.
Yeah, I can tell you, but I'm not gonna.
Oh, it's like that, huh?
Yeah, it's like that. You can keep working now.
Alright then.
Looks like hard work up here.
Hey, guard.
Nah,
My
it's
broom
not
just
so
broke.
Well, don't just stand there. Get a new one.
Not too bad. Are you kidding me?
Well, you know, you get to be outside and look at the view and the tar. Oh, it smells fantastic, doesn't it?
Holy shit, man. If you like this view, then you've definitely been inside way too long.
Maybe, but the tar.
Okay.
A record player. Can you help with that?
Sorry, man. The only place with a record player is the warden's office.
And how much would that cost?
Money won't help you here. The only way up to the
Ah.
warden's office is to get called up by the man himself. I think you'll find a way to get his attention somehow.
Asa ako yung. Wow.
Hey, my broom is broken.
Just stay here.
All right.
Siniyak pa siya nakpong. Ah.
You, what are you doing?
Nothing. Just, looking around.
I got you a new broom. Come here.
Sure.
Now get back to work.
Yeah.
All right, just need to get back again.
Yay.
Fuck, the guard's looking this way. Man, you better distract them for me.
Vakt.
Hey, can I ask you something?
What's up?
Look, isn't being a prison guard almost like being in prison? I mean, you're in here all the time with us.
Are you being a smartass?
Come on, man. I'm just trying to strike up a conversation here.
And who said I wanted one?
All right. I'll leave you alone.
You better.
Of course, it's locked. Vincent, let me out.
什么เรื่อง绑 lock ครับ มันจุยซะเลยอะ
ไปเหนือครับ
Just need to give Fred the tool now.
기어가지니까 가까워지고 생활을 못해.
Hey, Leo.
What's up, Fred?
Got something special for you to read. Hope you like it.
Sure I will.
To be continued.
Nước cu ca ca nước tôi bắt dạ.
Okay, see what we have here. All right, let's get. Get out of the way.
It's from nước rồi.
Hey, you're not allowed in here.
Ơi.